In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Canva in just 5 minutes. This seamless integration will help streamline your workflow by automating the transfer of information between these two powerful platforms. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure you have a Zapier account. Zapier acts as the bridge between Notion and Canva, allowing you to automate tasks effortlessly. If you don't already have a Zapier account, head over to their website and either log in or sign up. The registration process is straightforward. And once you've done that, you'll be ready to create your first Zap. Now that you're logged into Zapier, let's create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a link that ties together your trigger event and the resulting action. In our case, we'll be targeting events in Canva that will trigger corresponding actions in Notion. On the Zapier dashboard, look for the Make a Zap button and give it a click. This action will open up a blank canvas where you can start crafting your integration. The next essential step is setting up your trigger app, which in this case is Canva. You'll need to select Canva from the available list of apps. Once selected, it's time to choose a trigger event. To set it to sync with new submissions, select the New Submission option. This means anytime a submission is made in Canva, the Zap will spring into action. After selecting the trigger event, connect your Canva account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authenticate, and Zapier will link up with your Canva account, giving it permission to track the events. With your trigger event set, let's move on to the Action app, which will be Notion here. Choose Notion from the drop-down list and connect your Notion account if you haven't done so already. This interaction allows Zapier to create actions in your Notion database. In the Action section, select Create Database Item. This means each time a new submission is detected in Canva, Zapier will create a corresponding database item in Notion. Finally, you'll need to configure the database item creation in Notion. Here, match the data fields from Canva to the fields in Notion. This is crucial for ensuring the information you want to pull into Notion gets correctly placed, keeping your data organized and accessible. Once this mapping is complete, test your Zap to verify everything is working smoothly. Click the Test button, and if all goes according to plan, you'll see a confirmation that the data was successfully sent to Notion. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully connected Notion to Canva using Zapier. This integration will save you time and effort by automating the flow of submission data from Canva directly into your Notion workspace. Feel free to explore further customizations and other apps to automate even more of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!